So, ladies and gents, 2025 is the last year where making easy online money is actually easy. We're in the fourth quarter of 2025, where clipping, UGC, and digital products are exploding. If you don't act now, you will watch others cash in while you're still figuring out what to do. The final months of 2025 are your window for easy online income. Miss this quarter and the opportunity shrinks. Clipping, UGC, and digital products. These are your tickets. Act today or risk being left behind. Think about the people who missed Bitcoin, NFTs, and early AI tools. They waited, hesitated, and lost their chance. This is the same moment in history for clipping, UGC, and digital products in 2025. Hesitate now, and you will watch others cash in while you stand still. Clipping equals turning long-form content into short viral pieces. Creators pay you to repurpose content they already have. Pick a niche: podcasts, live streams, YouTube gaming. Identify 3 epic moments, hooks, punchlines, value points. Edit into short clips with captions, zooms, pattern interruptions. Sam made 5 free clips for a podcaster. Within a week, $500 per month retainer. By the end of the month, $1,250. All from clips under 10 minutes each. UGC equals authentic brand videos. No audience needed. The authenticity pays. Pick 5 to 10 brands. DM them. Here's a sample. Want usage rights for $150. Alma filmed natural light videos. First brand $200. Bundle deals $1,200. Simple, fast, and effective. Digital products equals create once, sell forever. Templates, toolkits, mini courses, templates, clip scripts, content schedule, UGC guides. Mini course, teach a skill in 60 to 90 minutes. Toolkits, hooks, captions, viral formula. $19 clip hook PDF, 37 sales first week. One product repeated infinitely. Scalable and consistent. Most beginners fail because they don't know where to start. They waste months, try everything at once, and quit before the results appear. So that's why I created the Visual Hustle Academy. Step-by-step roadmap for clipping, UGC, and digital products. Templates, scripts, workflow guides, lessons to land your first client fast, system to stack streams and scale. Inside the academy, you will also see how platforms like WOP Content Rewards help you find high-paying clipping and UGC campaigns faster, so you can start earning right away while learning the full system. Stacking is how you grow fast. Clipping, skill plus quick cash. UGC, high-ticket brand deals. Digital products, scale your effort. Layer them, stack them. Beginners can hit 2 to 5K per month by the end of the quarter. So my friend, the train is moving fast. This is the last window for making easy online money. Pick a lane. Follow the system in the Visual Hustle Academy. 90 days of focus equals results. Miss it and you will regret. If you want to see exactly how I'm turning 120 days into $1 million online, step by step, from clipping, UGC, and digital products, check out my latest video. See the wins, mistakes, and the full blueprint most people will never see.